Students, today we start with algebra first chapters second exercise practice set 1.2. Here we have to do graphical solutions. Question number 1. We are giving a box here. This is a graph of x plus y is equal to 3. Here we have to go for x horizontally, here y, here x comma y, right? 3 values have to be taken. 1, 2, 3 like that, different values we can take. In the book it is given 3. Here one box is given, fill in the blanks like here also. We have to find the values. Here we have to find out the value. Given it is 5 and 3. In the coordinates here 3, 0. Here we have to find out here 0, 3. Now here we have to put the values. X is equal to 3 plus y equal to 3. 3 plus 0 equal to 3, you know. So y value is 0. So that is 0. Here 3, 0. Whenever we write any point, it is in the form of x, y. First you have to write x values. Then we have to write the y value. This is x coordinate, abscissa, base, y coordinate. It is a ordinate, that is height. Like that here, base is 3, height is 0. So 3 plus 0 equal to 3. 3 plus 0, 3, 0. Here y is 5. Y is 5. So x is equal to, see this is 5, y. Y is equal to 5. 5 plus something equal to 3. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. So it is minus 2. Minus 2. You can put here. For example, x plus y is 5 given equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to this 3. Plus 5 goes there. Minus 5. 3 minus 5. 5 minus 3, 2. Greater sign is minus. X is minus 2. Like that also we can get. So the coordinate is minus 2, 5. Here given the coordinates 0, 3. X is 0. Y is 3. Y is 3 given. Then this x is 0. Here it is 0. So we are making a base for drawing a straight line. There we have 3 points. First point is 3, 0. Second point is minus 2, 5. And the third point is 0, 3. Now one more point is given. Next line is x minus y equal to 4. Here also we have to make 3 coordinates. So we make horizontal like this, 3 parts, and here 1, 2, 3. Here this is x, here it is y. Third one is x, y. The values are given. Here given 0, minus 1, x value minus 1. Here it is 0, minus 4. Here it is given 0, minus 4. And here only this value is given. This is y value 0. Put here 0. So x minus 0 equal to 4. Meaning x is equal to 4. So here it is 4. So this point is x, y. 0, 4, 0. X is minus 1 here. x value minus 1 minus y equal to 4. Therefore, minus y equal to this 4. Minus 1 goes there to the other side as plus 1. So it is for plus 1 5 minus y. Therefore, y is equal to minus 5. That is here minus 5. If x is minus 1, y is minus 5. Let's see here. Y is minus 5. Minus 5. Minus into minus plus 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 equal to 4. That is correct. So this value is correct. The coordinate here x comma y. So these points also we can plot in a graph and we can make into straight lines graph. This is a question number 1. Question number 1 of 1.2. Now we have to go for graphical solutions. Graphically we have to solve. That we do in the graph paper. This is the graph paper, and put your points first. I take the scale. Scale is ready, pencil is ready. Here it is. I do question number 246 as usual. Okay. Question number 2. Main question 2. Solve the following graphically. Solve the following graphically. First question. After this, x plus y equal to 5. The other is x minus y equal to 3. These are two straight lines. We have to solve them graphically. To draw graph, we should have 3 points. At least 2 points we take. We take value of x here, x, y, x comma y. We put different values for x. Put x is minus 2, put x is 0, put x is plus 2. Accordingly we can take y values. You can take any values easily. Okay. If x is minus 2 plus y minus 2 plus y equal to 5. Therefore, y equal to 5 minus 2 goes the other side as plus 2. It is 7. Y equal to 7. So, the first coordinate what we have? Minus 2 comma 7. Now put x is 0. If x is 0 plus y equal to 5. That means 0 plus y only equal to 5. So here it is 5. The next point is x comma y. Now we put x is 2 plus 2 plus y equal to 5. So here plus 2 plus y equal to 5. So y is equal to 5. Plus 2 goes that side as minus 2. So it is 3. Y equal to 3. That is here 3. Therefore the common points coordinate is what? X comma y. This is like a table we have to present. When you do, better you do by scale. If you are using pencil and scale and all, it will be good looking. These are the 3 points for this line. Now we want this point. For this line, we have to get the points. Here also we have x, y, x comma y. Here we put points in a different manner. Put x is 0. Directly x is 0. 0 minus y equal to 3. Therefore, like this. 0 minus y equal to 3. That is minus y equal to 3. That is y equal to minus 3. That is here. So the first point we have 0 comma minus 3. Now put y is equal to 0. If y is 0, x minus 0 equal to 3, meaning x equal to 3. X is equal to 3. So the point is 3 comma 0. Even 2 points we do, that is sufficient. Even we take 2 points only, suppose we have less time in the exam hall and we have to complete faster, you need not go for 3 points compulsorily, because a straight line is having infinite number of points. A straight line is having infinite number of points. So out of that, any 2 points we get, we can determine, we can draw a straight line. We have points, so we go for the straight lines now. Drawing here. We take the coordinate system now. Maximum y is plus 7. Minimum is, okay, only all positive values. X is minus 2. So here minimum minus 2 should be there. And the other one also we have. Y is maximum minus 3. Minimum most is minus 3. Otherwise it is 0. Easy. We have to take care of this part first now. We go for coordinate system now. Okay. Maximum y is 7. In the graph paper, this is y axis. 7 is required. So from here we take, after leaving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can draw here. This is our x-axis. This is a straight line, so we have to give arrowhead on both sides. This arrowhead indicates that it can be extended to infinity. Here it is 0, 0, meaning x-axis, horizontal axis x-axis, vertical axis y-axis. Here x dash, you can denote this as y dash. Now the first point, minus 2, 7. X is minus 2. We take here 1, 2, 3, 4. This point is 5, 6, and so on. But x is minus 2, 2 only. We need not go for 5, 6, etc. But we plotted. Here it is minus 1. This is minus 2. Here it is minus 3. Minus 4 and so on. Y values we take here now. 1. From here 2. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This point is 5. Here 6. 6. This is 7. And here it is minus 1. We need minus 2. minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on. Now we take first point. X is minus 2. X on x-axis. We have to take x value first. The point is here, minus 2, 7. Minus 2. X is minus 2. Now y is plus 7. Plus 7 means we have to go above x-axis. Y is positive above x-axis. Y is negative means below x-axis. On that point we have to go for. Okay. So at x is minus 2, y is plus 7. 7 means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. Minus 2 on x-axis minus 2 and y is plus 7. 7 means from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points. We are gone. Next is x is 0, y is 5. 0 here, x-axis 0, y is plus 5 means 5 units you have to go up. So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this point. And third point is 2, 3. X is 2, y is plus 3. 3 is here 1, 2, 3. At x is 2, y is plus 3. From here 1, 2, 3. This is the point. Now we join these and strike a single straight line. Preferably you keep the first and last. It is fixed. The last also fixed. And we draw a straight line, single straight line. Single straight line. This is here. RFs are given at both ends. And this line's equation we have to write here itself. That we write here. This is x. I write with a pen now. Actually you are supposed to use only pencil. I also write pencil. This is x plus 5 equal to 5. X plus 5, x plus y equal to 5. That straight line. The first lines, everything is over. Now the second straight lines points we have to plot here. So the first point 0, minus 3. X is 0. Y is minus 3. Y is minus 3 here. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 here. This is the point. 0, minus 3. Now 3, 0. X is 3 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. This point. Y is 0. 0 means there only. Not to go up or down. Now these points we join. These 2 points we joining. Straight lines we do. Single straight line. Single stroke straight line. Both ends we can give arrowhead. Now meeting, intersecting, that is the solution. That is here. Here x is how much you are getting? 4. From here draw perpendicular, see it is 4. You can draw here one dotted line like 4. X is 4, y is 1. So the answer is x is first, 4, y is 1. That is second. And we write solution here. Solution. Point of intersection. Point of intersection. How much it is? 4, 1. 4, 1. So solution is 4 comma 1. Okay.